All right, this is the trail connector from the BlueBonnet Trail to the Hoblitzelle Trail. We're going to turn right here from Chase Oaks onto Oak Ridge, heading north on Oak Ridge. It's not a very far connector, half mile to a mile. I'm curious how the wind noise is right now because I'm booking it, and I've got this microphone. I've got the little fuzzy on the microphone, but we'll see. Alright, Chase Oaks Golf Course. Left at the next street there, Sherman. We're going left up here at this street.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember, Sergio is not electric. Yeah, we just turned left on Water Oak. Pretty easy. Go down the street, past the first bridge, and turn left. And then we'll make a series of lefts following this road to get to the Hoblitzelle connector. Start the Hoblitzelle Trail.
And before, in the beginning of the second half, we were a lot of visible, and you can keep it with the Bruce and Mateo and Jeremy, which is having the kind of story that before the chances are there for the half, for the momentum in the city. And yeah, it was, I think, a good game for football. So I will say that's why we have finished where we have finished.
Right behind us. All right. We're riding today with Sherman and Sergio. Just out there to have fun, enjoy the ride, see a new trail, and how to get to it between trails. That's the whole purpose of these connector series. You want to go farther, you're tired of the same old trail, this is how you get to the next trail. Turn left here on Matilda. Basically, it's the next left. The street does an L shape at the end. And then we'll turn left at Vineyard. Again, the left at the first street. And here we go. At the end of the street is the Hoblitzelle Trail. I go on this guy's driveway here. Now we're on the Hoblitzelle Trail.